Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist, but operates autonomously, securely, and intelligently within your enterprise. At its core, enterprise-grade security, integrated AI modules, and secure deployment built for full data sovereignty. Powered by a unique system of autonomous agents, planner, researcher, architect, even a critic, collaborating like a real AI team. Backed by the best, AWS, LangChain, and Python, designed to fit right into your stack with zero vendor lock-in. This is more than automation. This is IntelliOzen, where AI builds, learns, and scales with you. Now let's see IntelliOzen in action.
Oh, so today we are going to look into the multi-agentic RFP response generator solution powered by Intelios and AI agents. Just like the name suggests, this solution provides an RFP response document for any RFP that the user might desire. So this solution is based on multi-agentic agents, architect, researcher, critic, and coder. The tools that are used are Tevely, WebCrawl, WriteFile. The cloud services are EC2 Lightsail. Currently, it's running on a local host, and the LLM that is used is Gemini. The framework is Python, Gradio, LangChain, LangGraph, and LangManus. So let's look at the solution here. The user has the ability to upload an RFP file. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to pick the RFP file for which I'm looking to generate a response. So while that is uploaded, I'm going to open up the document that I just uploaded to show the inside of that document. So as you can tell, it's SMCA Michigan Works, Southeast Michigan Community Alliance, so SEMCA. It's a request for proposal, RFP, for Food Assistance Employment and Training, FAENT, program year 2025. So there is an RFP issue date. The proposals are due on June 30th, 2025 by 4 p.m. And just a quick glance at the table of contents will show you that it is a standard RFP. It has the general information, there is an overview, funding, it has the scope of work, program objectives, eligibility, etc. And then there is a section which has all of the proposal submission, what are the required proposal content and order. So as you can see, it is a standard RFP document. So once the document is uploaded, user is able to either just submit that directly or use a specific query or change this query to something different based on what the requirement are. Right now, the query just basically prompts that to generate the best possible response for the uploaded RFP document. Ensure all requirements are addressed, highlight our company's unique strengths and capabilities, and structure the response professionally. The final response should be comprehensive and persuasive. This is a free-form field. If the user so desires, they can change the prompt here. Once that is done, the user hits submit, and as soon as the user hits submit, the agents get to work. So we have a log, log output here, which shows the interaction between the agents. The log file is being dropped here to just show the inner workings of the agents. So the solution or the RFP response document is reading a few things inside. So there is a company info file with the company name, DUNS number, cage code, tax ID, a very standard company information file. The agents also are reading another document which has all of the past performance, all of the technical capabilities, the management structure, anything that the RFP might require, this file contains that information. So you have executive summary, there is technical proficiency, and a bunch of other information that the company that is specific to this particular company that's creating the RFP response. So all of the details are in this file. So along with the company information and all of the past performance, based on that, the agents have generated a document. Before we see the document, I wanted to just show the prompt console along with the prompt in the query box here. There is also an ability to write a system prompt. So this is where the system prompt can be written right now. This is the system prompt that's working under the hoods. And when every interaction and the agent interaction is complete, an RFP response document is generated. So as you can see, it's an RFP response again to the Food Assistance Employment and Training FAE&T program year 2025. And this is a standard RFP. There is scope of work, you have the program objective, eligibility, all of that before the response starts getting into the specific requirements of the RFP. So as you can see, it's the questions that were asked describe, for example, describe your process for recruiting and marketing FAE&T program to customers. Our process for recruiting and marketing will be multifaceted and proactive, designed to maximize awareness and encourage voluntary participation. So just like, just as asked, the questions are created here, answers are created here. So we can see the next one, which says describe your approach to deliver the services, include details on how your agency will provide job search, job readiness, education and vocational training, etc. And then there are responses to that. So this is the RFP response document that was generated. If I scroll all the way down, you will see that it was an MD file that is created. And as I'm scrolling, you can see that there are all of the information that was requested in the RFP is provided in the RFP response. So this is a markdown file. However, as part of this solution, we have also generated this RFP response in a Word document. So same things here. Describe your process you use to identify potential career coaches, how you address gaps in staffing. This was the question on the RFP, and here is the response in the RFP response document. And all of the questions have been answered, and all of the administrative management capacity, the management structure, the previous performance, past performance, which is carrying 25% of the overall weightage, is all information that is captured in this Word document. So this is what the solution provides, a RFP response uh, to an RFP, and the response is specific to the company. It has all of the past performance, the management structure, the company information, so that the RFP response is unique to the company that has prepared it. And that is what the multi-agentic RFP response generator solution offers. Thank you.